Okay guys, as usual, kanina inopen ko na to kasi wala na naman siyang label. Of course, tinignan ko kung anong laman. Pero hindi ko muna nakita ko lang kasi yung logo. Kasi may logo siya. Ayan o, MCM. So, may pa-letter. Die. May pa-letter siya. Letter, resibo pala. There's only 2 stuff here. I ordered 3. Okay, anyways, ang bango. Ayan siya, guys. MCM, let's go. Oh, there's only 2 stuff nga lang. Oh, actually, there's 3. Wait. Ano bang in-order ko? Alam ko 3 in-order ko eh. Ito nga, 3 nga. Ano ba? The first one. I don't get it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh! This is a gift for my boyfriend. I'm gonna open it. Of course, hindi ko pa naman ito ipopost bago niya makuha yung gift niya. So, makukuha niya muna to bago ko ito ipopost. So, yun, bubuksan ko na siya. Oh my gosh. Okay, babe. I'm gonna open it for you. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. It's leather. Yes. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan yung loob niya. Actually, baliktad. Ayan yung loob niya. Very, very simple. Ang dami kong nakikitang very flashy doon na wallet. Pero kasi, I've known him and he doesn't like really flashy things. He's just very simple. And kinakabahan nga kung magugustuhan niya to. Kasi he's just a very, very simple person. Sobrang humble niya and he doesn't like flashy things. As in, he doesn't like flashy things as much as possible. So, ayan, guys. Balik na natin siya sa kanyang lalagyan. Bago niya pa ito makita. That's that. And then, the other one, I swear. No, I ordered 4, I think. Or 3. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Hindi pa pala nabubuksan. Oh my gosh. But it's like, it's a purse wallet, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love pink. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect for travel. Kasi like, ayan lang yung wallet mo, oh. Tapos, bubuksan mo lang siyang ganyan. I don't know if fit yung phone ko. I don't think my phone will fit here. But like, it's very, very simple. Very, very simple, but it's pink. Oh my gosh, I love it! I love it! I swear. No, I think I have more than this. Kasi this one is free. This one is free, guys. Ah! This is so cute. This is so freaking cute. This one is for free. See, it's just that. It's just, I don't know. It's free. It's for free, guys. It's so cute though. Like, you know, like, oh my gosh! Ang cute niya. Diba? Ah, this is for free, guys. So yeah, I know I bought 3 items kasi this one is for free. Bakit wala yung isa kong item? Let me double check my email. Or let me open this one. Baka nandito sa kabila. Actually, hindi lang pala 3 yung order ko. 4 pala yun. So, wala pa yung isa kong box. Why? I don't even know why. But, here's the other one. My personalized thank you. I think that's handwritten. Yes. Of course, yung resibo niya. So, that's the receipt part. Ayan siya. Ito yung laman ng resibo. Ha, hindi natin sasabihin kung magkano. Malaki dyan. So, ayan, guys. Oh my gosh! Excited na ako makita. Hala, napahid-pahid na yung ano. Bala ka. But, oh my guys. Guys! It's so pretty. It is so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. I would say this is so worth it. Ito na ito yung pinaka-paborito kong bag sa lahat. I freaking love it. Yeah, it's so cute. May maliit siyang purse. Ayan. And also, of course, merong ulit free MCM bag. Yan. So, I think, ipapapromo ko na lang to. Ipapamigay ko to. Free bag. Kung kanino man. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing. And I think this is my first unboxing moment. I'm really, really excited to use all of these. Meron pa akong hinihintay na dalawa. Watch all my travel videos. May kita nyo itong gamit-gamit ko, guys. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. And see you on my next one. Bye!